good day, ma'am. I am Angel Grace L. Durata from HRM 2B, and this is my report. Lesson 20, Discrimination on the Basis of Sexual Orientation, Gender Identity and Expression, or SOGI, in the Philippines. Learning Objectives. At the end of this module, you should be able to understand the issues on human rights, violations, and discrimination on the basis of SOGI. Next is understand the impact of human rights violations and discrimination to the Filipino society, and formulate activities and programs to address this human rights violation and discrimination on the basis of SOGI. Next is the definition of terms. SOGI, an acronym for Sexual Orientation, Gender Identity and Expression, aspect of gender of persons which must be considered and given attention. Anti-discriminatory bill, a proposed legislation before the Philippines Congress intended to prevent various economic and public accommodation-related acts of discrimination against people based on their SOGI. So, kani siya na video is nag-represent siya sa isa ka students na part siya sa LGBT na isa sa ka tumboy na gibuli siya sa mga students na muna siya iyang pagkatao. So, where siya? Next is the Universal Policy International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, Article 2, 3, and 26 of the Convention provide for the respect, equality, and non-discrimination of all individuals on the grounds of race, color, and sex by Tonin v. Australia in 1994. So, in the Article 2, states must respect and ensure the rights in the covenant without discrimination and provide remedies for violations. In the Article 3, men and women have equal rights to enjoy all civil and political rights in the covenant. In the Article 26, all individuals are equal before the law and are entitled to protection against discrimination in any ground, including race, color, and sex, and etc. Next is national and local policies. So, for the LGUs from different cities all over the Philippines has been proactive in passing and filling city ordinances banning LGBT discrimination. So, local government in various Philippine cities have taken proactive steps to pass ordinances banning LGBT discrimination and promoting equality and inclusivity. These ordinances aim to protect LGBT individuals from unfair treatment and ensure their rights are respected. Next is anti-discriminatory bill is still pending before the Congress. Next is anti-discrimination in employment was enacted in 2004 and LGBT-friendly provisions are supplemented in Quezon City. In 2004, a law was enacted to prevent discrimination in employment, including provision that benefit LGBT individuals. Quezon City has supplemented this law with LGBT-friendly provisions to promote inclusivity in the workplace. Next is House of Representative Raymond Palatino of the Kabataan Party List filed House Resolution number 1333. House Resolutions number 1333 filed by Representative Raymond Palatino aims to promote LGBT rights and address discrimination. The resolution seeks to raise awareness and push for policy changes to support LGBT individuals. Next is in May 2012, the DepEd issued DepEd Order number 40 or the DepEd Child Protection Policy. In 2012, the Department of Education issued an order establishing a child protection policy to prevent bullying and harassment, including gender-based sexual orientation and gender identity. This policy aims to create a safe, inclusive learning environment for all the students. Next is the effect of state discrimination in society. State discrimination against LGBT individuals in the Philippines intensifies due to SUGI. Young non-conforming individuals face increased risk of abuse and discrimination. State discrimination against LGBT individuals in the Philippines intensifies due to their sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression such as lack of comprehensive and anti-discrimination laws. Like for example, like bullying in school or rejection from family members. Next is lack of support mechanisms and school policies exacerbate this issue. Discrimination prevent LGBT students from obtaining other rights. For example is such a no clear protocol for addressing bullying or harassment. Is homophobia and stigma create a dangerous climate of hostility. Like example ka ng makadawat ka og kanang sakit ng mga istorya like kay nga ka part ka sa LGBTQ. Next is parents often target LGBT youth to prevent their expression of society like dili ka dawat sa imong parents ko because of part ka sa LGBT like bayot ka or tomboy ikaw. Next is discrimination by the Catholic Church. The Catholic Bishop Conference of the Philippines and Episcopal Commission on the Family and Life are demanding Congress to remove sex, gender, sexual orientation, and gender identity from comprehensive anti-discrimination ordinances, arguing it will create issues regarding ethics, marriage, family, and religious freedom. An opponent claims it will open the door for same-sex marriage. So sa Catholic is kanang ang i-consider dito is kanang babae o lalaki pwede ikasal. Dili siya pwede na kanang bae to bae or laki to laki. So participation of the member of the LGBTQ in the public life. Article 25 of the Convention guarantee equal access to public services, voting, and participation in the public affairs for all citizens, including LGBTQ members, without unreasonable restrictions or sex-based distinctions. So like example, like kuan ang mga bayot is kanang sa kasagaran sa mga bayot is kanang mga creative, like for example pag siya ang mahimo ninyo mayor, like dagan siya mabuhat because of kanang creative siya. Tapos sa bayot siya is kanang dagan siya mabuhat, tapos makalipay pud ang mga kanang mga LGBTQ. So next is the discrimination in the military. Kani siya is kanang di ka pwede na kanang musud ka sa military na kanang hinay ka, wa kay kusog, like hinhinon. Tapos napoy ka sa ani na kanang part ka sa LGBTQ, tapos mo apel ka is bully ka sa mga tao because of kanang part ka sa LGBT, like bayot ka, tumboy ana. So that's all lang po, ma'am. Thank you.